some sweet tea. What's going on, guys? Alex here at Reject Rides. Right now we're gonna be working on the single cab. The first thing we're gonna do is put some WD-40 on all this bolts and stuff. Do that for right now. Just kind of let it soak. Kind of sprayed it last night, but it was kind of dark. But gonna go ahead and do that. And we're also gonna be removing the shocks. Okay. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove these bump stops right here. I have a nut right here, so we're gonna go ahead and turn the air compressor on and go ahead and take those off. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take the shackle out. Might have some pressure, you might want to lift up on the stuff. Always put your hardware back where it was so you remember where it needs to go. Alright, so once you take those shackles off, you can go ahead and lower your jack and let the frame sit on the axle. You can go down slowly. Alright, and the next step is to put the jack under the axle, lift it up a little bit, take the tires off, and then take the bolts off of the leaf springs off so you can start on the flip kit. Take a little break and we'll get back to work. Alright guys. Alright guys, once you take the leaf spring off, you're going to have to flip the guide pin from the bottom to the top. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to remove it. You got to put some C-clamps so this won't extend out, and then some vice grips holding the guide on the bottom. And hopefully it comes out smooth. Take it out, flip it around, put it back in, and tighten it up. Good to go. You take off your seat clamps. And then you're going to be ready to install the flip kit. Alright, so once you do the guide pin, flip it around, you can just go ahead and mount this first bolt close to the cab, and then if you got somebody to help you, y'all can lift the spring back up, the lift spring up, or we'll get a jack and jack it up and then put it over here where the hanger goes. But since I'm going to change the hangers, I'm going to go ahead and change that right quick. So hang on one second. And the way you took this one off, you're going to put the big one the same way. Put it into the last hole. So we're going to go 2 inches. And you don't want to tighten it up, you just want to snug it on there. You're going to do the tighten once you have everything, all the suspension on the floor, tires back on, and the bed back on. So whenever you're going down the road, it won't be making noises. Sometimes these get in a bind whenever they tighten them up, so you can just put your little pressure wrench and pull it out just a little bit so it can slide in there. So we're not going to tighten that up. And then, since the rear end twisted forward a little bit, we got to go loosen that side so we can twist it back up. So we'll take that apart over there on the other side. Alright, so I've removed the jack stand from under the axle, and now I'm just going to go down on the jack from the middle of the rear end. So I'm going to go ahead and take the other leaf spring off, and so you can go down at the same time. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and lower the rear end. You see how it's set there. Make sure the eye opening is to the front of the of the flip kit so it can go back where it needs to go. I'm gonna go ahead and lower it down. Like a glove. Okay, and then after that, you're gonna use the same U-bolts and use the new plate that's in the kit. Alright guys, so put the tire back on. Busted one of these studs. There was one already busted, but I busted another one. It's all the way down. I still need to put the shocks on there, but these are 2-inch drops, shackles, and then the flip kit that I installed was it's actually a 6-inch, so it's a total of an 8-inch drop. I haven't tightened down these bolts, but I'm fixing to tighten them down here. And the ones for the U bolts, I just kind of snugged them on there. You got to tighten them up whenever you got your weight on there. But that's what it is right now. I'm probably once I get the shocks, I don't know if I'm gonna put the bed on it first or not, but I might get a bolt-on C-notch. I'm not sure. I mean, this truck is just gonna be like just a cruiser. It's not gonna be it's not gonna be on bags or nothing. It's just a cruiser truck. Just wanted to look a little decent. But that's it for right now. I got to order the shocks and the C-notch, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna order probably go down another inch. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna look into that, and I'll keep y'all updated. See y'all later.